So something funny kind of happened the other day. I was driving down the freeway. I hit my windshield washers, and you know, they seemed to be working okay, but they were only coming out of the left side. And then I hit them again. I was going down the freeway. Hit them again, sitting still. Later on, and it just shot straight up. And then I realized the windshield washer had popped out. So on this car, what they've got these little chrome washers, and they actually come out. This one's pretty tight. They come out of this plastic piece. And so I guess that first time I hit the washers, or at some point, it shot that thing out. I have no idea where it is. And of course then, after going down the freeway, you hit them, and the wind, blows it up against the windshield. So they worked okay. Of course, they weren't coming out of this side, but so somewhere I lost that one. So I went to my parts car to see if I could grab one, and it's got a different setup, which I think I kind of like better. They do not pop out. So there's the driver's side or passenger side, and here's the driver's side. So I guess the driver's side gets 2 sprays, passenger side gets 1 spray, I guess, or somebody's changed one out at some point or something. But they're all one piece. They don't separate like that other one, but they're not chrome, so they don't look as good. But we're gonna clean these up and put them on my car because I just need something functional. So the way these come out, and I'll have to see if the other ones come out the same way, just get a screwdriver up under the hood and push these little tabs in, and then they push through the hood. So they push through the hood, and then those tabs hold them in. So you just have to squeeze those tabs in and it'll pop out. So let me, and then the passenger side one has this angled piece on it to send the tube straight over that way. So let me get these out, get the old ones out, and we'll put these new ones in. Not new, but these new to this car ones in. These come out the same way. They've got little tabs on them. You can see they're kind of, you can only put them in certain ways. So we're gonna drop the new ones in. Well, I keep saying new. They are not new. They are new old. But let me clean them up first. So there you've got a before and after. Hopefully you can see the difference there. I don't know if that's wax or overspray or from the, whatever spray stuff they had in there. It wasn't easily coming off. We're just going to leave it for now. But then these just pop in there. Easy as that. So I'm going to clean up the other one and I'll pop it in. Oh, also blew through it to make sure it wasn't stopped up or anything. You can just take it. And both of these I can blow through. I also took a little wire brush, not a bristle from a wire brush, and blew and ran through there. So I'll do that with this one as well and clean it up. All right, there in. That little angle piece makes for a nice run. And of course it runs all the way down here into the reservoir. And that's what they look like installed. So I'm gonna lower the hood, and I think I'm out of fluid. Just got water in it for now, just testing it out. So I'll put some more in it and we'll test it out. I think I've got a slight leak down there. I don't know if it's the pump or if it's the hose right there, but I'll need to look at that and address it. Well, I don't think I do have a leak. I spilt a little bit. That's what you see there. I don't see any leaking around here. It's possible when the pump's running it's leaking. I thought though I had seen water leaking right there. We'll run the pump a little bit and we'll see. if it's leaking. We're spraying good. So let's go look and see. Nope. So I think we're in good shape. I just wanted to run some water through it before I'll run that out of it, and then I'll put some winter formula in it. So let's see with the hood. It's not all the way shut, but it's close enough so we can see how these things spray. The other ones kept clogging up too. So we'll see how these do. These do really good. And I think you can actually direct these. I think I'm gonna leave them right there for now. That seems pretty good. This one might be a little bit high, but you can just put like a little paper clip or something in there and you can kind of direct them. But I'm gonna see how they do going down the road, see how the wind affects them before I adjust them. But that's the best windshield washers this thing has ever had. So I definitely like these better than this setup. I don't know, maybe mine were just bad, but they always clogged up and did not spray well. And I ran stuff through them, I blew through them. You can blow through them right now, but man, when water went to go through them, they did not work very well. So that's it. Looks good to me. At least they won't pop off like this one did. I'm gonna save these. So I'll go, just to keep up with them, I'm just gonna go pop them in the other hood. Seems like the easiest way on my parts car. Seems like the easiest way to keep track of them. So thanks for watching. Leave a comment down below, hit the like button, and subscribe for more.